Hey everyone, let me introduce you to our project Geospatial. Geospatial is a geospatial NFT marketplace. What makes this special is all the geo NFTs that you can buy from this marketplace have their metadata stored on chain. So as a user, you don't have to worry about losing metadata for your NFT. Along with this, we have a layer-based system, meaning you can lock and unlock sales of a bunch of NFTs through a single transaction. Therefore, you're able to add metadata and keep that in preview and then start sales whenever you want. The image as well as other information is stored on chain and is always unique to a NFT. In our project, the metadata is added by the admin or the addresses that the admin chooses, and only they can add new metadata on chain. Each metadata can only then correspond to one NFT, leading to a higher demand for each location. Currently, all the sales start with a base price in an auction and can go on till the auction expires, after which the frontend forces the user to retrieve the NFT. Each user who has bid before our current highest bidder gets their bid back. When someone outbids you, your frontend lets you know that and you can place a new bid. If you win the NFT and retrieve the token, you are now the new owner of this token, which is minted at the time of retrieval. After this, you can choose to resell any of the tokens you own, and the process is similar. You define the base price and expiry date, and then your token is up for resale. After which, the process is same as primary sale. All the primary sales profit go to the contract owner and resales go to their respective owners, who can then retrieve that amount from the contract. Since each token is unique, there is huge opportunity to gamify the entire project to create an on-chain monopoly game or something even similar to a GPS based game like Pokemon Go. That was all from us, and thank you for your time.